I am so fucking tired, I'm not even making a video. This is gonna be about it. The RV is ready to roll, new shocks all the way around, 2 new front tires. Transmission's done, obviously, that was yesterday, and shocks and tires today, and tow dolly, and getting the car all packed and loaded on the tow dolly, and getting the RV rearranged and vacuumed out. And I've been working since, the fuck time is it? Whoa, it's almost 9 o'clock. Geez, I don't know, we're on 14 hours here. On the road tomorrow. You probably won't hear from me for however long it takes us to get the hell to the Alaskan border. See you when we reach Alaska. Bye for now. Thanks for following along. There will be more. Bye now.